Are you ready to learn how to set up custom approval workflows in Navan? In this quick tutorial, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to streamline your workflow with Navan's intuitive system. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share an exclusive bonus that'll get you started with Navan for free. Setting up custom approval workflows in Navan is simple but powerful. Whether you're managing travel bookings, expenses, or team requests, the ability to configure specific rules can save time, improve compliance, and increase efficiency. Let's dive into how to do it. First, head to the admin section of your Navan dashboard. This is where you'll manage all settings related to workflows. From here, look for the Approval Workflows tab, which is the heart of Navan's approval process. Click to get started. Once you're in the Approval Workflow section, you'll see an option to create a new workflow. This is where you can define the criteria for what needs approval. Start by selecting the type of request you want to set up the workflow for, whether it's a travel booking, an expense report, or a specific team request. Now, let's talk about customizing the rules. Navan allows you to tailor approval steps based on factors like budget limits, specific user roles, or even project codes. You can choose to set thresholds, for example, to have all requests over a certain dollar amount go through an additional level of approval. You can assign approvers at each step of the workflow. This is where you can get granular. For example, you could have one approver for requests under $500, but anything above that needs approval from a higher level manager. This ensures that your process is both efficient and controlled, and no important decisions slip through the cracks. Next, set up notifications. Navan has built-in notification features to alert approvers when a request is waiting for their action. You can even customize the message or adjust how frequently reminders are sent. This keeps your approval process on track and ensures nothing gets missed. If you want to take it a step further, Navan allows you to create multiple approval workflows for different departments or scenarios. You could have one workflow for team travel requests and another for office supplies, each with its own set of rules and approvers. Once you've configured your workflows, don't forget to test them. Navan makes it easy to simulate a request to ensure everything flows correctly. You can make adjustments in real time to fine-tune the system to your exact needs. By the way, if you're feeling overwhelmed, don't worry. There's plenty of support available within Navan, including a knowledge base and customer service team to help you with any setup issues. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, but it's always good to know you have backup if needed. And here's the best part. If you click the link in the description below, you can access Navan for free with exclusive bonuses. That's right. Set up these custom approval workflows with no cost to you and see firsthand how much smoother your process can be. So, to recap, you start by heading to the admin section, set up your workflows, customize the rules for specific requests, assign approvers, and test everything to ensure it works like a charm. It's really that simple. Don't forget to check out the link below for your extended free trial. And that's it. Setting up custom approval workflows in Navan is a game changer. Enjoy using this efficient system and make your process smoother, faster, and smarter.